walk how you feel like.
Oh y'all, what's up mga sis? It's Rush with a B. Victoria, that's the name you will see. The passion and body is so hot like a spice. Don't you dare to fight me, I'll kill you.
From the stage to the runway scene, it's because I'm babe living in the G. I always thought it's not untold. Elegance, clean, what show it all. I never be the one to hide in the ground. Just wanted to make my fellow proud. It's the end of the night, I always shine. Never let it take a queen, what could that's mine.
Everywhere you go, everybody knows you're somebody. The way you work that body. Everywhere you go, you dance like the world is your runway.
Girl, si Shasha, si Tilapia, kaya makipagsabayan. Always on top, pero napasukan ako. Pupuksain aking mga kalaban. Tignan mo ko Lilia, bakit talento kaya kailapangin kahit sino bumangga. Isang buwelo ko lang, tasik aking alaban. Bitch, look at me, well, ang sakit.
D to the A to the X with the X like a shooting tomahawk straight to your mouth. Make you make you say marvelous and so yummy. Tiny ways, levitate it, lay, complicate when I hit that top. I'ma drive you crazy, serving you down to the dark.
What's up mga ate? Halika na ako, magsilayas na kayo kasi lalaban na ako. At kayang-kaya ko makipagsabayan sa inyo. Nandito na ang titayong handa magturo sa inyo. Ako'y sigurado na sa akin panalo dahil ako ay talentado. Ako sira, batanda na ang ulo para sa corona aking ipapanalo.